Welcome to the News, where the news is fake and the quotes are made up. I'm Rory O'Sullivan. Breaking news and a shocking development in the throes of the coronavirus outbreak. Thousands have taken to baking bread in order to cope with the crisis. The activity, which can take up to 14 hours, has been described by some as giving feelings of independence, self-sufficiency and accomplishment, though Health Minister Simon Harris has issued this warning. We all know that it is important to ensure we maintain a balanced diet, which isolation can make even more difficult. However, it is important to remember that while bread can make up part of healthy nutrition, it should not be the sole constituent of a diet. There is also a danger that some people are turning to bread as a substitute for a personality. As the coronavirus crisis intensifies, Taoiseach Leo Varadkar has released a statement about the degradation of his one brief respite from the pressures of navigating the global viral sensation. There was a time when Instagram had a variety of content: gym photos, travel blogs, pet videos, and yes, baking. Now it's just fucking bread. I know in these difficult times we can't go out to take photos, but surely you have some old content to recycle. Throw back to a pre-crisis Thursday, or just return to the basics that founded Instagram. Go to your bathroom, put on your best duck face, and take a mirror selfie. Just no more goddamn bread. Stay tuned for updates as this story develops. Though as the corona crisis comes to temperature, baking could prove to be the yeast of our worries. I'm Rory O'Sullivan, and that was some sort of bullshit.